Hi everyone, so today we are going to be talking about few of the affordable brushes that I have came across online. These brushes are so good. These are so affordable, but they perform so good. Like, I have been using makeup brushes since 2 years now, so I have a really good idea about what to invest in. Without any further ado, let's get started. First one on the list is from Amazon. Got this set from Amazon in just 395 rupees, and I think it's a pretty good deal. Like, don't mind, I just lost this brush. It looks like the dupe of Real Technique brushes, but it's not, of course. Like this, and you just have to take this. I've used them as well. This comes with 4 brushes and 1 sponge. I would rate it 4.5 out of 5 because this is actually really good. Like, you can think about investing in these. How the bristles look like. तो ये वाला ब्रश जो है वो ब्लश के लिए यूज़ होता है। मुझे ये चीज़ इन ब्रशेस की बहुत अच्छी लगी कि ये बहुत सॉफ्ट है। ऑन माई स्किन दे फील वेरी सॉफ्ट। ये वाला ब्रश मैं ब्लश विद इट एंड इट कवर्स द एप्पल ऑफ योर चीक्स रियली वेल। जो क्वालिटी है एंड जो ग्रिप है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी गुड। Then next you get a brush for your foundation, and this is how it looks like. And it also has this thing written on it. Brush is what I use for foundation. ये वाला brush foundation बहुत अच्छे से blend करता है. Like, I was not expecting it to be this good. And इसके जो bristles है वो बहुत dense है. Let me show you guys. Like, look. It is quite dense, and this is used for foundation. Then you have a small buff brush. You can use this for concealer or highlighter today. I used it for both the things. This is how it looks. You can see it is dirty because I did use it. And this is a multitask brush. Now coming on to the sponge, so it looks like it doesn't has any Real Technique thing written on it. I haven't really used this sponge, but I feel like the quality of it is also really good. So yeah, this is what the brush set looks. If you're a beginner and आपको बहुत सारे brushes में invest नहीं करना, इस brush set के साथ जा सकते हो. This has a foundation brush, your blush brush, powder, concealer, sponge और क्या ही चाहिए. I think this is a perfect set if you are a beginner. Now coming on to the next brushes, both are from the House of Mars. So this is how they look like. One is with a golden body and one is with a green body. If you have a budget of 700 or 800, just close your eyes and go for these. Any of these. Both are pretty similar, I would say. Think about the quality of the green one. It is very good. I would say I would rate it 5 out of 5. I'm not gonna lie. This is how the foundation brush looks like. One good thing is that they have written on brushes what brush is for what. Well, this is foundation brush. Coming on to the next brush, it is this one. आप इस brush को powder के लिए भी use कर सकते हो. You can use it for your blush as well, for contour. You can use it any way you like. This is a multi-purpose brush. These are the eye brushes. You get 4 eye brushes in this. One is for blending, one is for putting your shimmer, and sharp edge brush for your eyebrows or putting a wing liner, which is great. And one comes is as a concealer brush. आप इसमें invest कर सकते हो and trust me, you won't regret it. ये इतने अच्छे brushes हैं. Coming on to the one with golden body, these are also very very nice. और to be honest, मुझे ये green berries से थोड़े ज़्यादा पसंद है. Not gonna lie, because of the body. It really looks luxurious. Like, look how beautiful it is. ये बहुत beautiful लगते हैं. If you have this in your vanity or your table, it just looks very luxurious. It looks very classy. This is how the foundation brush looks like. So they have number mentioned over here that it is F02, F01, F03. So this is the foundation brush. You have a really big, huge blush brush. You can say this is for blush. This is how it looks. And this is also really soft. I would say so soft. This is very beautiful brush, very beautiful brush. Then we have a brush that you can use for your blush. You can use it for powder. This is also a very beautiful brush. You also get 3 eye brushes. I just have 2 right now. Is missing somewhere. This is how it looks. One fluffy brush जिससे आप अपना eye shadow blend कर सकते हो. This eyebrow bone, or I would just put an eyeshadow over my eyelids. I would highlight, would use it multi-purposely. This is what the brush set looks like. I really like this set a lot. कौन सा brush set है जो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा recommend करती हूँ? Mars, hands down, Mars is killing it. 5 out of 5 because it is actually that good. Packaging is stunning, the performance is stunning, build quality is stunning, everything is just so good. I love this set a lot. So next brush set है Prosh से. This is from Prosh Beauty जो कि plume के नाम से भी जाना जाता था, but they have changed their name. They're also really nice, very good quality I would say. This is how they look like. The quality of this is also very good. It's a very little bit expensive compared to Mars. They perform really well as well. So this is how they look. अगर आप प्रोफेशनल हो एंड यू आर अ मेकअप आर्टिस्ट देन यू कैन इन्वेस्ट इन दीज, बट मुझे मार्स वाले भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. इफ़ यू वांट टू सेव सम मनी यू कैन गो फॉर मार्स, बट दीज आर ऑल्सो गुड. फाउंडेशन ब्रश, then you get a blush brush and you get a powder brush just to set your face. Then brush like this, brush for blending your eyeshadows. You get a liner brush like this, a very fine tip liner brush to apply your liner, to give strokes to your eyebrows, to line your lips. So ये brush set भी बहुत अच्छा है. You can also check it out if you want to splurge a little bit more on a brand, so you can go for this. If you want to save some money, I would highly suggest to go for Mars. वो भी बहुत अच्छा performance दे सकते हैं in way less price. So just being honest here. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you found it helpful. So if you want to know how I use these brushes to do my makeup or just how to use brushes in general, you can comment down and I would surely love to make a video using these brushes on my face. And it would mean a lot to me if you would take your time out and subscribe, share and comment to the channel.